How to buy PUP token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not a professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And before going on buy this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following the updates about this token. So make sure to check the Telegram channel too. So as you can see, this token is available on MEXC. To be able to buy this token, click on markets here and you will be able to find the pancake swap. Now click on this pair. Now wait a few seconds to be able to redirect you to this page. Now click on trade on PancakeSwap and you will be able to redirect it directly to PancakeSwap website to be able to buy this token. So what you need to do is just connect your wallet first. I will use the OKX as you can see. So after you connect your wallet to PancakeSwap, you will be able to find your token here in the bottom. Now from the top you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive as you can see with the token, and here click on swap and a pop-up will be appear here from your wallet to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy PUP token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.